Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the magnetic door plunger on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The washer's magnetic door plunger holds the door slightly open when the washer is not in use to allow the seal to dry. If the door plunger is broken, it can allow mold and mildew to build up on the door boot seal. If you need to purchase a new magnetic door plunger for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. To start, open the washer's door. The magnetic door plunger is located here on the bottom of the door. Using a small metal spudger like this, gently insert it here on the top of the plunger. Then, gently press down on the clip and slide it forward to remove it. If you don't have a small tool that will fit in between the door plunger and the door, you can always flatten out a paperclip. Then, with the plunger depressed, insert one end of the flattened paperclip into the top of the opening. Then, pull the plunger and the paperclip out. The paperclip will put pressure on the top of the retaining tab and allow it to release. Here's the side view of the clip. Here you can see the retaining clip that you are trying to depress to remove it. If you need to purchase a new magnetic door plunger, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the smaller end of the spring into the back of the plunger and press it into place. Then, align the plunger to the door with the two retaining tabs on the top and bottom. Next, press the plunger into the door until the retaining tabs snap into place. Then, close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.